Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad bin Muhazzam. My program is Bachelor Engineering Technology Mechatronics. My supervisor is Madam Husma binti Hussein. My project is development of electricity collection system into power bank using micro hydro generator. And my project category is proof of concept. Here is presentation outline. We have introduction, literature review, methodology, conclusion, and references. So about introduction, power generation is the process of generating electric power from sources of primary energy, such as wind, solar, hydropower, and etc. So we will use water flowing to produce electricity from mechanical power to electrical power, improving piping system. This project is about to develop and analyze the electric power generated on house piping. But problem statement, global warming is a growing problem upsetting government and society in general and is endangering health and environment. One of the way to fight against global warming is using green technology. Instead, burn fossil fuels such as natural gas to generate electric. This project can prevent from waste pollution. There is no researcher before this makes an analysis of power generation during peak time by manipulating existing pipe in the home to supply electricity to small appliance. So about the objective, we have two objectives. The main of this project is to develop the mini hydro power generation and analysis system. Second objective is to analyze the electric power generated during peak time. So about expected outcomes, at the end of FYP 2, we expect to develop the collection system and we can use the electricity that we store for home appliance. This project will use water flow for primary energy and this can reduce costs. This project will analyze the electricity produced and we can compare the usage of water during peak time. About the literature review. So about literature review, we have three areas, which is power generation, method, result analysis. The first one is SO ANAZA 2017. The technology was utilized in Himalayan villages within the form of water wheel to supply motive power to run devices like grinders. And what we can compare here is our project generate electricity for home appliance. SULIS 2019. The system is outlined by two primary steps of theoretical calculation and calculation-based development. We also will use simple calculation and more on manual process study. So for third is Liu 2021. This paper aims to create a system where the input power came from water pipes energy harvesting system. We also use input power from water pipe. So for second area, which is method, Wei Yang 2019 carried on two parts. First one is measure the external characteristic of the turbine such as rotational speed, flow rate, pressure and torque. The second one is test the turbine startup performance. But we more on manual process study due to small process. Liu 2021 simulation circuit in the project is designed and test in Proteus program. So we use SolidWorks for mechanical design and we use Proteus for electrical circuit. The third area, result analysis, SULIS 2019. The general info is water flow rate sensed by sensor. So about our project, we don't use sensor, but we analyze the electricity produced during peak time. Second one is Liu 2021. The parameter results show on LCD display. We also show electricity produced on LCD. So about the methodology. For methodology, the first step is identifying the problem statement. We settling the scope and state the objective on step 1. For step 2, engineering study, we make feasibility study on mechanical and electrical system. The next one is step 3, design drawing, preparation and approval. We make mechanical design, electrical design and programming and approved by our supervisor. The fourth is survey standard parts. We will survey and purchase mechanical, electrical and electronic parts. Step 5 is develop the mini hydropower generation and analysis system. We will assemble all parts in this step. Step 6 is we test and train the project. Step 7 is analyze the data. This step will evaluate and compare the findings for developed system and conventional method. For the last step is step 8, which is report writing. Include all the result and analysis. So for hardware and process, the first one is water pump, second one is micro hydro generator, third one is power storage board, the fourth is power bank, and the fifth is Arduino Mega, which is the microcontroller, and the LCD display, and the last one is laptop. So about the process, first step is water pump will make the water flow from water tank to micro hydro generator, and micro hydro generator will generate electric. For collection system, we make a circuit, and this circuit is for store power. Power bank is store the electricity. Microcontroller is to control water pump, and we display the current value on LCD. And the last one, we program the system and analyze using laptop. So about Gantt chart, task for engineering study, we will make feasibility study on mechanical and electrical design system about 2 weeks from 5 July to 18 July. For design and drawing preparation, for mechanical design, electrical design and programming, about 2 weeks from 19 July to 1 August. We will survey standard part for mechanical, electrical and electronic, and also we want to purchase it about 3 weeks from 2 August to 15 August. We will develop the mini hydropower generation and analysis system about 4 weeks from 16 August to 12 September. We will test the system for 4 weeks from 13 September to 3rd of October. We will analyze the data, include all result and analysis about 3 weeks from 4 October to 24 October. So about project cost, we have 6 items. The first one is water pump. The price is 27 ringgit and 50 cent. The quantity is 1. Water tank is 30 ringgit and the quantity is 1. Micro hydro generator, the price is 15 ringgit and 34 cent. The quantity is 2, so the price is become 30 ringgit and 68 cent. Power bank is 10 ringgit. Arduino Mega is 178 ringgit. LCD display is 10 ringgit and 29 cent. So the total project cost is 286 ringgit 47 cent. As a conclusion, this project will generate and analyze the electric power generate on house piping using microcontroller. Due to pandemic, it is hard to meet technical advisor or supervisor face to face. I will try my best to understand the system when return to university lab later. The integration of Arduino, Proteus, and SolidWorks, and a small portion of maintenance will increase my knowledge, inshallah. So here is the references. We have 5 references in this slide. So for any question, you can contact me through email and through the contact number phone. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.